In the vibrant world of insects, bees reign supreme, armed with a fascinating anatomy. Imagine these tiny powerhouses have 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes straddling the sides of their head, and 3 smaller ones on top. These smaller eyes, known as ocelli, aren't for detail but detect light intensity, helping bees navigate the world. Now ever wonder how bees carry pollen? They've got pollen baskets on their hind legs, also known as corbiculi, where they stash their golden haul, and their wings. They're a marvel of engineering, 2 pairs that hook together when the bee is in flight and unhook for easy folding when at rest. But the piece de resistance? A bee's stinger is a complex structure, more than just a weapon. It's also a tool for communication, releasing pheromones that signal danger to other bees. Bees, a testament to nature's genius. Until next time, keep buzzing with curiosity.